How to activate public bank credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for PBE Bank. Then you want to tap on the very first website that you can see, which is pbebank.com. Once you tap on this first link, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, you first want to log into your account. For that, tap on the login option at the top, then select the first option. Now tap on this box and enter your user ID. Now tap on the next option. On the next page, you will have to enter your password. Then tap on the option of login. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgotten password option in order to reset it. Once you have reset your password, you can log in using your new credentials. If you are new to this and you want to register, simply tap on the register option given here. Here, you will have to follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account. Once you have been logged in, you want to select Profile Maintenance option, then select Manage Card Profile. Finally, opt in for cards not present on overseas retail transaction. Then you want to enter all the information that is requested over there. After that, tap on the option of activate. Once your card has been activated, you will receive a notification or email stating that your card is now activated. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.